like in very simple terms, is nothing but the angle between two vectors, and you kind of that particular angle that is there, that is nothing but the cosine similarity. Like in the how you can visualize it is, let's say these are two legs a vector in the three-dimensional space, like 3D. What you can do is probably, like, these are two random vectors. If I kind of bring it closer here and then take a clear to visualize like what's the angle between them. Angle that you see here, this is, let's say, the angle theta, and this is nothing but if these two a and b vectors are same, this theta would be, the value of this angle would be lesser, and as the angle would be much higher, like probably if they are orthogonal, which are like completely different vectors, in that case the theta would be close to 90 degree, and if they are similar it will be 0 degree. And how you kind of calculate this particular thing is, let's say the cos theta, figure out the dot product, or you take the theta, like you figure out the value. So for example, for this one, it's kind of whatever the value that it will come up, but let's say if the two vectors a and b are same, like this is your a vector, and then similarly on the somewhere here there is another vector. I mean, the dimensions could be different, but as long as the angle is same, let's say here, but if I kind of move them to the same axis, the angle is closer to 0, and here you will see the theta would be kind of 0, theta would be like roughly 0, and the cos theta of this would be, like cosine similarity, two vectors are similar. If the dot product is coming as or like the cos theta is coming as closer to 1, that means they are similar, and if it is coming 0, that means, or like closer to 0, that means it is the angle between them is closer to 90 degree and they are dissimilar.